that manual, just you open 25 slide. Okay. Right. Now, I told you in the last class about the diagonal scale, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, please respond. Please respond soon. All of you. Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many are there? Only 32? What about others? Okay. Now, who will read that third question? Please read third question. Or should I choose the student? Yes, roll number 87. Roll number 87. Roll number 87, please. Roll number 87.
Ma'am, tell me the page number, ma'am.
Page number 25. Please read the question. Slide number 25. Yes, please be fast.
Ma'am, last question.
Yes, last question. ఏంటి నువ్వు లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ అటెండ్ కాలేదా?
అయ్యాను మ్యామ్.
ఫస్ట్ 2 questions అయిపోయినాయి కదా?
Yes, ma'am.
Third question. Read the third question.
Construct a diagonal scale of 3:200 showing meters, decimeters and centimeters, and to measure up to 6 meters. Show the length of 4.56 meters and 2.34 meters on it.
Yes, very good. Now, please try to understand. Here in a diagonal scale, we are taking any 3 consecutive units. So, what are 3 consecutive units here? What are 3 consecutive units? Roll number 117. Roll number 117. What are 3 consecutive units here? Yes, roll number 117.
Ma'am.
Yes. What are 3 consecutive units in this problem?
Meters, decimeters, and centimeters.
Yes. Okay. Now, what is the RF? What is RF? Roll number 92. What is RF?
Yes, ma'am.
What is RF?
3/200.
Yes, 3/200. Right. Good. And roll number 91. Roll number 91.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the length of the scale? Please calculate and tell me what is the length of the scale. Please all of you
Okay,
try.
ma'am, 1 minute.
Please all of you try. What is the length of the scale? Please write the question number 3 in your paper. Paper means drawing sheet, A4 size drawing sheet. You can write it question later on. Please try calculate. First you write RF equals to 3/200. Okay. Now next line, length of the scale is 3/200 into 6 meters. So that 6 meters you have to convert into centimeters. So that is equals to 3/200 into 600 or 6 into 100. You can write like that also. Then what is the length you got? Please do it fast. Because today I want
9, ma'am.
What is 9? What is 9?
Centimeters.
Yes, again I am reminding you, always you have to tell the units. Don't say just 9, 4 like that. whatever the units, not only this subject, any subject, please try to mention the units of that particular number. Okay, don't say just 9, right? Okay, now. So first you draw the horizontal line. This is the 9 centimeters. Already I have drawn here. Okay, then the height you can take 5 centimeters. Height you can take 5 centimeters so that we can show this very clearly. If you take 4 centimeters also, each division should be 4 mm, so that you will get 10 divisions here. If you take 3 centimeters, this height, then this each division is 3 mm. So like that you can do. Okay. So draw this one. Then how many divisions you have to make? Why here I divided into 6 divisions? Why I made 6 divisions here? Roll number 66. Roll number 66.
Yes, ma'am.
Why I made here 6 divisions? Here.
Because they gave maximum length up to 6 meters.
Yes, because the maximum length is 6 meters. So I divided into 6 meters. Now from where I had to write 0, 1, 2, 3, or other than that one, what should I write here? Here. What should I write? Because they asked to show meters, decimeters, and centimeters. So here I will write as 0. Yes, here 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? What are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes, anyone of you?
Meters.
Yes, meters. So write it here immediately, meters. Meters. And here, they for 0 to right side is meters, and 0 to left side is what? What is 0 to left side?
Decimeters.
Decimeters. So here you write decimeters. Here you write at the same level. You can write here decimeters. Okay. Now here, what should I number here? Should I number is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I write 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, then what are these units?
Meters.
Yes, very good. So here we have to, because this is the decimeter, so each division is decimeter. So I will write 1. So alternatively, I will write here 1, not 1. This is 2, right? Otherwise, I will change that exercise. So later on, I will change this one. And what is the here? Here, what is this each division here? Because I last class I taught you the principle of the diagonal scale. So what is the each division? Because this division, what is each division? If this is decimeter, and this part is 1/10 of decimeter. So 1/10 of decimeter is nothing but how much? How much? Centimeters. So for this this level, for one division, so for each 1 centimeter is increasing for each, and here 2 centimeters are increasing here. Okay, so this becomes what? This becomes, yeah, this becomes what? This is centimeters. So I will write centimeters in this way, right? So here I will take, see here you can see this is 0 degrees. So when we take the 0 degrees, the 1, 2, 3, 4 will be like this. If I take 90 degrees, so it will write vertically. Okay? Centimeters.
Ma'am, how
Yes.
to draw those diagonal lines, ma'am? Marking, exact marking.
You are absent in last class?
No, ma'am. Even last class I asked the doubt, but you left.
Okay, I will tell you. Just wait. Let me write this one. Just wait. Yes, now I taken 90 degrees, right? I taken 90 degrees. Okay, so how to make this one, right? So here I will take, I will copy this only these lines. This one I will take, this one I will take, and this one and this one. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Now you are telling how to draw the diagonal lines. So here we have to divide here 10 equal parts and here also 10 equal parts, right? So I will divide 10 equal, you know how to divide 10 equal parts? Who is asking? Who asked this question? Who is that?
Roll number 69.
69. What is the name?
Sai Kumar.
Sai Kumar. Yes, Sai Kumar. Now see here. Here I will divide into 10 equal parts and here also I will divide into 10 equal parts. You know how to divide into 10 equal parts? Sai Kiran? If this length is unknown length, so we cannot divide with, it will be less
Line
than.
division method, ma'am. We should use line division
Yes,
method.
you know how to do, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here I will, with AutoCAD command, I will take just divide command, just divide command, and I will divide it into 10 equal parts. So I will select this line. It is asking how many I have to divide. So I will take 10, right? So it is divided. So same here also I will take. Okay. Again, divide command. Select the object. I will select this one. I will divide it in equal parts. So 10 numbers, and I will select. So it's over. Now, after you divide, now what you have to do is you can't divide here the same method by taking the line like this, right? Don't divide in this way. Okay, let me remove this one first again. Okay, first you divided, right? Doing in some method like this, taking one line of approximately 2 or 3 centimeters, right? Then divided in this way. Is it clear? Okay, you are divided in this method. But here what you have to do is no need to divide in this method. So just after you got this divisions here, right? You mark here 10 divisions you got. Is it clear or should I explain again? Let me
Clear,
explain.
ma'am.
Wait, let me explain again. See, all of you see here, out of AutoCAD, don't concentrate on the AutoCAD, just AutoCAD commands. I'm teaching how to do the manual. Okay, I've chosen this box. So here you have to divide it equal parts. If it is unable to divide with a scale, measuring with measuring. So there is one method is there. One method is there. So approximately you have to take the line between 15. This angle should be here. This angle should be 15 to 45 degrees. So here I will write approximately 3 centimeters. So 300. Yeah, let me. That's right. This is the first point, and another point is at the rate of 300 is a length less than, and this is the angle. So 0 to practice, I will take as minus 45. This I got very big size, so I will take only 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters I will take. Okay. But I want to complete the commands. Okay, I will take a 2 centimeters. At the rate of 200 less than minus. Okay, I will take. Right, enough. So here I will make 10 equal parts. 30 means you can make into 3 centimeter, 3 mm. Okay, 3 mm and mark a point here. 3 like 3 mm. Mark a point, right? Then here instead of button here I will make divide command. Yes. Now how you got till here? Take 3 centimeters or 2 centimeters, right? If you take 2 centimeters, divide into 10 equal parts, and each part is how much? Each part is how much? Please. Hello? Yes, please.
Ma'am.
మీరు తొందరగా రెస్పాండ్ ఇవ్వండి అమ్మా, ఎందుకంటే ఐ వాంట్ టు కంప్లీట్ AutoCAD కమాండ్స్. ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ. Yes, each division is how much? If I taken 2 centimeters divided into 10 parts, each division is what is each division?
Ma'am, you have taken 2 centimeters, 10 divisions means 20.
2 centimeters, 10 division means
20 centimeters.
మీ మెజర్మెంట్ లో 2 centimeters లో 10 divisions అంటే each division ఎంత 2 mm కదా.
2 mm.
2 mm. సో మీరు స్కేల్ తో 2 mm ఇక్కడ మార్క్ చేసుకుంటారు. You will be marking each 2 mm like this. I'm explaining you how you have to draw in your sheets. Forget about the AutoCAD. Is it clear? So after dividing this one, then draw a line here like this, first line. With a scale, joining these end points of these 2 lines. Then with roller, keep parallel to this line and just move backward side. Then from here draw the line. Again move back. From here draw the line. Cut this line. And again here like this. So draw all the lines with a roller, keeping your roller parallel to this one. Is it clear? So here what I do is, I will just copy. So like this I will draw. Okay. After drawing like this, I want to remove the extra lines. That is, I want to trim these lines. I want to trim these lines. So you will be drawing till here with roller, keeping roller parallel to this one. Am I right? So here I will trim. So you will be drawing with scale only up till here. Don't draw extra line. Don't cross beyond this line. Don't cross beyond this line. Now, after getting, now here again, here also you have to divide into equal parts. So what you will do here? What you will do here? Keep your scale parallel to this one, right? Now here you got the points, right? So keep your scale or roller parallel to this one. Just move towards left side, and draw the parallel lines from this point. Don't draw the parallel lines. So after moving this point, wherever you got the point, keep same point here, roller to. Roller ila move chestu back side. ఈ పాయింట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత సేమ్ అక్కడ ఆపేసి ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ పెట్టుకోండి. Again move back, another point is here, and mark it here point. Again move back. When you come to this point, mark it here. Like that with roller, you have to mark all the points coinciding with these points. Right? Don't go this method here. So after getting all points here, 10 points. So after getting 10 points, after getting 10 points, right? Suppose you have marked like this here, you got the points like this here, okay? Along these points. Now you have to draw the inclined line. So how to draw 0 of this one and 1 of this one? Like this. Inclined draw change. If this is 0 point, starting point, and this is the first point here, join this one. And if this is first point, and this will be the second point, join here. So that will become inclined, diagonal. Is it clear, Sai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, keep your roller after doing one line, doing one line, or you can draw with scale also. It will be easy. Scale the join these 2 points, again join these 2 points like that. So here what I do is, just I will copy this line. Just I will copy like this, all inclined lines. All of you got? Yes, 4. Okay. So like this you have to draw here. You have to draw like this. So here what I do, I will copy the same thing, the same part. That's clear? So after doing this one, now here, we constructed everything. Now we have to measure the lengths here. Here also we have to make it. Now here, if this is centimeters, text, single line. I don't want 30. I want to take 20. I don't want this is 98. I want to take the 0. Okay. Now text. Here I want to text. So here is 1. 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. It's clear, all of you? So what are these? 1, 2, 3 to 10. What are these? What are these? Decimeters. Now here also I have to number it. Here also I have to number it. So what should I number? Is it 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So here each division is 1 centimeter. If this is decimeter, till here to here, this one part of the decimeter is centimeter. So here I have to name it as, so for every division, here 1 centimeter is increased, here 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, here 2 centimeters compared to this one, here 2 centimeter increased compared to this line. 2 centimeters, 2 to 2, and here 3 centimeters compared to this line, 4 centimeters compared to this line, like that. Okay, so here I will name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here, after this one, yes. Now we constructed as per the given RF and the maximum length. Now what we have to do now? We completed the construction. Now we have to show what? What we have to show? Yes, please. What length we have to show now? Yes. What length we have to show?
4.56 meters.
Yes. What is 4? You please write down there in a notebook 4.56 meters. Below that, 4 is what?
Meters.
Yes, write down 4 meters. Below that, what is 3? What is 3 in 4.34? Sorry.
Ma'am, it's 4.56.
4 is meters. What is 5?
Decimeters.
Decimeters.
Decimeter, not centimeter. Decimeter, consecutive units. Decimeter. And what is 6? Write down decimeter. 5 dm. And 6 is
Centimeter.
centimeters. Right. So where we have to measure 4 meters? 4.56 kada. Where we have to measure 4 meters? From 0 go rightwards. So this is 4. Okay. Right. And 5 is where we have to go 5. We have to go 5 here. 5 here. Right. And what is the 6 decimeter? So along the 5, please see here, along the 5, along the line 5, this line. So this is 6. When you are coming from bottom to till 6, already 6 divisions were increased. See here, there are 6 divisions compared to here, 6 divisions. So till here at the point 6 centimeters already added. 6 centimeters already added. So here we have to take. So what you have to do is from here. So just I will draw a line here at this point 5. Again I will say this should be very clear. For go along 5 like this till 6. So from here I will draw the line. So snap till 4 kada. So till 4. Okay. So here I want to keep a some dot like that. So here we don't have that type of dot here. DDP. See here again I am explaining you. We don't have dot. Only single dot is that. If I keep this single dot, this dot is not visible here. Now, and I don't want to keep all these type of symbols here. It looks odd, right? These were used for different purposes. Of course, these are the points, but these are used different purposes. I don't want to use here. I want to use even I don't want to use this one also, or this one, or this one, or any other thing, right? Just I want to. So instead of that point, I don't have that point. So I will create that point with the command do not. You know the do not actually do not inner diameter and outer diameter. So instead of that, I want to create a do not. So do not. I want to use do not as a point. Okay. It is asking the inner diameter. So inner diameter, I don't want a hole. I don't want hole. So I want to cover it. So I will take the inner diameter as 0. Right. Outer diameter is compared to, suppose this is how much I have taken. This is 20. So I will take as 10. Let me see how much it will come. It is bigger size. Yes, 10 is sufficient, right? So here I'll take a point, and where we started, now I forgot to where I started. So when I move my cursor here, it will show in a box way. See here, it's showing the box, right? So when it will show the box, a starting point or end point of that line. So it will show box, green box. Again, I will explain you this one in AutoCAD. So if I move here, see, it is not showing box. If I move here also, it is not showing. You see here, it is not showing. So when I move my cursor here, now here it is there. So this is the starting point or end point. So let's see here also. So it is also there. It will show, because here for donut it's showing the diameters, like center point, showing the center point. There are the three things are there: end point, intersection point, center point, and middle point. Many things are here. See here again, square, green box. It means it's showing the end of the line. So if you move anywhere, it will not show. Move anywhere, it will not show. So when it will show the triangle, see, let us see, we'll move here, somewhere it will show the triangle. See, triangle means it's a midpoint. Triangle means it's a midpoint of this line. From where we started, from here to here, this is the midpoint, right? So like that, so again I will explain you. So here I want to keep a donut. So this is this correct? Is this correct position? Yes, anyone? Is this a correct position? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No.
No.
Where have to keep? Here?
No.
No, ma'am.
Here?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
It is only starting
Just
point.
starting or ending point.
Yes, good. Okay then. So this is, I kept a donut here, just copied. Copy command తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ ఒక donut. I mean, this is, I am using this donut as a point, but don't say as a donut. This is, at present we'll say as this as a donut. Sorry, this as a point. Okay. Now, so this length is how much? How much is this length? So you can write here A and B. The two ways also can write, or just show the dimension outside, or you can write here A and B. So I want to write here A and B. Starting from, okay. This is A and this is B. I want to show like this. So later on I can write it here, AB equal to, here I want to write AB line, AB equal to 4.56. 4.56. Is it 4.56 what? Meters. Now next one. Next, what is another number? Another measurement should show?
2.4 meters.
Yes, 2.34 meters. So 2 here 2, 3 is in decimeters, 3 is in decimeters. I want to go along, I have to go along this third line. And where I have to stop?
Near 4.
At 4, this point, right? So again I will copy the donut, copy the point. Yes. So I want to see here again. I will explain. I want to select this many points it's showing, but I want to select at the center point. See here. Correctly, then you can place at the exact center. Okay. So this is 2.34. 3 and along 3, where is 4? Here. This is 4. Right? See here, intersection. Because this vertical and horizontal line is showing as intersection cross line. I'm showing here also, mentioning intersection. So at exactly there we have to pick. Okay? And now I want to draw a line here from there. Line from here. Then we have to select it, the line space with the line, various symbols it's showing. So I want to take either the center or the intersection. Two ways it will show. Okay. Now here I want to select it so that it will come a straight line. If you select this one, ortho, then it will show a straight line. So where I have to stop? At 2. Right? Here is 2. So I will stop here. Then again I want to copy the point. Ortho, I will remove the ortho. Okay. Like this. Now this one I will name it as CD. This one I will name it as C and D. Capital C and capital D. And here I will write line CD line CD equals to 2.34. What is it? It's 2.34. So this is the full figure. Is it all of you understood? Diagonal scale? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we'll do the next one. Who will read the next question? Who will read? Who will read? Roll number 119. Roll number 119. Roll number 119.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read the next question. Next page.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
Draw a diagonal scale.
No. Next one. What is the next one? Okay, right. Draw a Kaluma. Next page. Turn the page.
Yes, ma'am. 27th page, ma'am.
27th page. First, 26th page. First one. Number is not specified. Fourth paina unnadi. That is fourth.
Construct a diagonal scale of RF equal to 1 by 4000.
Yes.
To show meters and long and long enough to measure up to 500 meters on it.
Yes.
Show a length of 374 meters and 256 meters on it.
Yes. Good. Now my question is, what is RF here? What is RF? Roll number 88.
1 by 4000.
Yes, 1 by 4000. And what is the length of the scale? Roll number 91. What is length of the scale? Roll number 91.
500 meters.
Length of the scale, enti. I am not asking for maximum scale. What is the length of the scale? I am not asking 500. Of course, maximum scale is 500. But what is the length of the scale?
Yeah, ma'am, I'll calculate.
Yes, do it. Please, all of you calculate what is the length of the scale. First, write down the RF equals to 1 by 4000. Then length of the scale is RF into maximum length. Maximum length is 500 meters.
12.5, ma'am.
Yes, what is 12.5?
Length of the scale.
ఏంటమ్మా 12.5 ఏంటి కిలోమీటర్సా మీటర్సా డెసిమీటర్సా సెంటీమీటర్సా మిల్లీమీటర్సా you already converted, right? 1 by 4000
Centimeters.
Yes, centimeters. 12.5 centimeters. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
are the consecutive units? What are the units? Here nothing is specified. What are the units?
Centimeter, decimeter, meter.
No. Now, for example, here he is asking to show the 374 meters. What is 3? Under 300 kada. 374 meters ante 300 plus 70 plus 40 kada. 4 kada. Yes or no? Okay, now you write down there 300 300 meters. Below that 70 meters. Please all of you write down.
Kilometer, decameter, meter, ma'am.
No. అది కాదమ్మా 374 meters అంటే 300 ఏంటి?
Meters.
Meters. 70 ఏంటి?
Decimeters.
హలో మంచి చూడు. Meters. 4 ఏంటి?
Meters.
Meters. So all here the consecutive is only one unit. Meters. Means 300 is the 100th place. 70 is the 10th place. 70 is the 10th place. 4 is the 1 place.
మ్యామ్ అప్పుడు 300 meters అన్నప్పుడు ఇదేంది ఒక కిలోమీటర్ అయితే 3 kilometers అట్లా కూడా
తీసుకోవచ్చు కానీ మనకి ఇక్కడ మీటర్స్ లోనే చెప్పమంటున్నారు. మీటర్స్ లోనే చూపించాలి.
ఓకే.
లిసన్ అగైన్. 300 plus 74 plus 4 కదా. Sorry, 300 plus 70 plus 4. 300 is in the 100th unit, right? 70 is the 10th unit. And 4 is the 1th unit. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are all those? All are in meters. So all are in meters. Now you draw like this. Now, so this length is how much? This length 12.5 centimeters. Right? I think you all have drawn 12.5 centimeters. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw that 12.5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Again 12.5 centimeters, and this is 5 centimeters. Now, can you divide with scale into 5 equal parts? Why 5 equal parts?
500 meters.
400 meters.
Yes. 500 meters. 500. So each is how much? Each division is how much? If I take 0.
Meters.
Yes, very good. 100, 200, 300, 400. So you write here 0, 100, 200, 300, and 400. Right? So please write down all of you. So here I will write 0. So this is 100. This is 200. This is 300 and this is 400. So always please remember the maximum length kante oka unit takku untundi. You won't get the same. And what are these? What is this? 100, 200? What are these?
Meters.
Meters. So meters. Now here, so this is also here I will write 100. Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఈ నుంచి 0 నుంచి ఎంత ఉందో ఇది కూడా అంతే ఉంది. బట్ హియర్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ 10. am I right? 10 కదా ఇది. సో 10 ఇక్కడ 20 రాస్తాను. సో I can't write here 10. So 20. This is 30 and this is 40. So this is 50. This is 60. So this is 70 and this is 80. Okay. So what is this 10, 20, 30, 40? What are these? What are each meters? So here also I will write meters only, the same level. Meters. Now here, so in each, so look at this division. From here to here is 10 centimeters, 10 meters. Here to here is 10 meters. So here 1 division is there. Out of 10, here is 1 division. So 1/10 is what?
Again 1. 1.
Huh? 1 is what?
Again 1, 2, 3, ma'am.
8 units centi.
Same meters, ma'am.
Same meters. Good. So here I will write in meters. Here this side. So again I will change the angle. I want to change the angle here. So you can see here 20 size. And this I want to change the angle. So I will write it again here 90. Okay. So meters. meters. Where it's gone? Okay, 90, enter. 90, enter. Then meters, enter. Okay, now it's clear. So if this is meters, what should I write here? What should I write? Is it 10, 20 or 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3.
Yes, because this is hundreds place, this is 10th place, this is 1th place. So here I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. So these are all also meters. Now it's clear, all of you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here, you write down for measuring 374. So please write this 374 equals to 300 meters. Please all of you write down 374 meters is equal to 300 meters plus 70 meters plus 4 meters. Have you written? Now we'll measure the maximum one. So what is the maximum? Main scale 300. So 300 is a line is here. Then we have to go to 70. 70 right? So we have to go to 70th line. This is 70th line, and at 4. Here we have to go at 4. So I want to copy this do not. Sorry, I want to say this is, I want to copy this point. I want to copy this point now. So this point, right? Now where 4 దగ్గర okay. ఈ లైన్ మళ్ళీ అచ్చా ఇది 1 2 3 4 యాంగిల్ చేంజ్ చేయలేదు. Okay, let me write later. I will just, so this is 1 2 3 4 కదా. So which part? 7th part, 374 కదా, 7th దగ్గర 7th. This is 7th line, 70th line. So the 70th line మీద 1 2 3 4 here. Yes, okay. And one more is, so line, so at 300. So at 300 here I will take. Okay, so again I will copy this one. Over, finish. So here I will remove this one because I not taken, not set as 0 degrees. I set as 90. So it has changed this one. So in text, see 90 is there. So 0. Okay, now it will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Right. Okay, it's okay now. Why it is I got line like this? So I'm not selected the correct one. Let me take line. I want to remove this line. The correct select already. Select the object. Right. So line from here I will select at the center. This is the correct one. So yes, now it's correct. నేను పాయింట్ తర్వాత పెట్టాను కదా, అందుకే అది కొంచెం కింద చూపిస్తుంది చూడు, సర్కిల్ కి కింద చూపిస్తుంది. సో ముందు ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో వచ్చింది. ఓకే, లెట్ ఇట్ బి. So I will move this one. Let's go. Okay, why I'm showing very accurately, you know that? So you should not do approximately. Okay, my interest is doing accurately. Accuracy I want. If I do accuracy, you also follow me. If I don't do, if I do approximately, you also do approximately. Later on, you will get a lot of problem further. Is it clear, all of you? Now I'll write it later on AB like that. And what is another length? 256. So all of you write down there. 256 meters equals to. Please write down 256 meters equals to 200 meters plus what? 200 meters plus
50 meters plus 6
50 meters plus 6 meters. Okay. Now 200 will be here. 200 will be here. This line on this line, and 50. So 50 here. This is the line 50. 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the line 50. 56. So along this is the 6. So I will copy the. I will keep a point here. I will keep a point there. At 56 kada. So this is 50 and this is 6. Line selecting. When it is selected, it will be showing light blue color. Right? This is now got light blue color. The center of this one. And I will remove this ortho mode. Then 56 kada. Again, I want to check. This is 40. This is 50. 56. Here I want to keep. Intersection of two lines. So this is the exact point. Okay. Then this is 200. So somewhere here 200. So with the line command. So I will start a line here. I'll start a line here. Ortho. Then this will be the 20. Okay, I want to stop here. Now again I will keep a point here. I will keep a point here. Exactly. Right. Now finished. So here I will write a A B. So this point I will name it as a. Now I will name it as a PQ. Okay. Now here I have to check it again. P, capital P, and this is Q. Q. And this I want to name as R, capital R. R, and this is I want to name as S. Yes. Now here I will write line PQ equals to how much? Line PQ is equal to how much? 374 meters. And the line RS equals to 256 meters. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubts in these two problems?
No, ma'am.
Everyone, please, if you have anybody is having any doubts, you can clarify here only. Yes, please. Shall we go to the another one? Next one. Next one I will not draw, but I will explain you how to draw. Right now, who will read the next one? Who will read the next one? Roll number 103. Roll number 103.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read the next question. Yes, please. Be fast. ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే చెప్పు. One not three. What is your name? Hello. 103.
Yes, ma'am.
చెప్పమ్మా ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమా?
No, ma'am.
Then read the question.
Describe two parabolas in a rectangle of 125 meters and 75 meters.
Wait. Which one you are reading?
Third question.
థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎక్కడ? నువ్వు ఎక్కడున్నావు? నువ్వు అసలు క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నావా?
Yes, ma'am.
నువ్వేం చదువుతున్నావు? What we are doing now? మనం ఏ టాపిక్ చేస్తున్నాము? పర్వాలేదు చెప్పు. నువ్వు ఏదైనా బిజీగా ఉంటే చెప్పు, నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను నీకు.
No, ma'am.
మరి ఏంటి క్వశ్చన్? థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చదవమంటే ఏదో క్వశ్చన్ చదువుతున్నావు. ఇందాక ఏ ప్రాబ్లం చేసామో కొనేసి ఇందాక ప్రాబ్లం చదువు ఒకసారి. ఇందాక ఏ ప్రాబ్లం చేసాము? Roll number 103.
Yes, ma'am. In my phone it was not coming.
ఓకే, నేను మళ్ళీ నిన్న తర్వాత అడుగుతాను. ఓకేనా?
Okay, ma'am.
ఓకే. రోల్ నెంబర్ 106. రోల్ నెంబర్ 106.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Draw a diagonal scale of 1:2.5,
Yes.
showing centimeters and millimeters and long enough to measure up to 20 centimeters. Show
Yes.
a length of 13.4 centimeter and 7.8 centimeter on it.
Yes, very good. And roll number 96. Roll number 96. Roll number 96. You are not there. Roll number 96. Yes, roll number 117. Roll number
Yes,
1.
ma'am.
Yes. What is RF?
RF 1/2.5.
Yes. And roll number 118. 118. Roll number 118.
Yes, ma'am.
What is length of the scale?
1 minute, ma'am. Calculating.
చెప్పు నాకు అది ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తావు? లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది స్కేల్ ఎంత? RF into maximum length. What is RF? 1/2.5 into
1/2.5 into 20 centimeters.
Yes. Now please calculate this length of the scale. Please, all of you calculate this length of the scale now. All of you calculate. Please all of you calculate this length of the scale.
8 centimeters.
How much?
8.
8 centimeters. Right, 8 centimeters. Please draw all of you 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters horizontal line. Vertical line is 5 centimeters. And back to 8 centimeters. And down is again 5 centimeters. Draw a rectangle of 8 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Okay. How many divisions you have to divide?
Eight divisions.
4.
ఈ 8 centimeters వచ్చింది కదా. We have drawn the rectangle of 8 by 5 centimeters, right? Now my question is, how many divisions you have to do?
4 divisions, ma'am.
Anyone?
4.
2, ma'am.
Anyone? Inka? Is it 4?
2, ma'am.
మనకడ 20 ఉంది కదమ్మా. 20 కంటే తక్కువ ఇంకేముంటే చెప్పు. How can we divide?
5.
Yes, 5 divide చేస్తాం. 5 divide చేసిన తర్వాత సబ్ డివిజన్స్ ఎన్ని వస్తాయి? 4 వస్తాయి.
4.
One of you said, who said 4? 4 divisions? ఇందాక 4 divisions.
Number 69.
69 కదా. Okay, your answer is you also correct. You can make 4 divisions also. Sub divisions ఎన్ని వస్తాయి? 4 divisions చేసినప్పుడు
అంటే 3 divisions ఇంకొకటి సబ్ డివిజన్ అన్నది.
5 వస్తాయి.
Listen again. Yes, you are right. Listen again. 8 centimeters length of 4 division చేయొచ్చు. I will draw it here. This I will explain. I will not explain whole thing. So I will draw here. So line. So what is the length of the line? 8 kada.
8 by 5 centimeters.
Okay. 8. 5. Here is 8. Okay. Just wait. Here one more length is added and line 800, 500, 500, 800, we close. Last one, close, but it closed. If it goes where it started. Okay. Now my question is, one of you said 4 divisions and one of you said 5 divisions. Okay. Now here I will make a 4 divisions. So this one I will copy here. 4 divisions means divide I will take and I will not explain again. Right? 4. Selected the object, then here 4. Now here, not this. I want to copy this one. Copy this one. I want to select. Like this also we can do. So here what should I name? 0. Cheppandamma. 5 divisions kada. What should I write here? 5 divisions, 4 divisions చేస్తే ఇక్కడ 0 వస్తుంది. చెప్పండి. Let me write one more thing. I will copy another case. Like we had done in the last class before, pain scale case and like that only we have to do. So this one I will copy. This part. Okay. Now here, divide. Object. 5 parts. I want to divide here 5 parts. This is also correct. Like this. So this is also correct. Now my question is, here I divided into 4 parts. So how many are subdivisions? If I divided 4 parts, what are the subdivisions?
5.
Yes, 5. So here I will name it as, please don't get confused. So here 0. Okay. Now here what should I write here?
5.
Is it 5?
10.
Yes, ma'am.
Next 10.
4 కదా 5 4 is 20. ఇక్కడ నేను 5 రాస్తాను. 5 10 15. And here 0. What should I write here?
4. 4.
Right. 4. Here 8. 12. Here 16. Okay. Is it clear, all of you? Again here, how many divisions in the first case? How many divisions in the first case?
5 divisions, ma'am.
Yes. Here 0 to 5 ఇక్కడ 5 divisions చేయాలి. So here divide. This I want to divide. Five. Okay. And here also you divide into 5 and draw the diagonal lines. Just I am explaining. I will not draw this one. Just I will explain. So if it is 5, so here what are the units? 0 to 15 is what are the units? What are the units? Please. 0 to 15, what are the units?
Centimeters.
Centimeter.
Yes, centimeters. Find this one.
Millimeters.
0 to 5 kada 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, centimeters. ఒక భాగం కూడా ఇది కూడా సెంటీమీటర్స్. సేమ్ ఇలాగే ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇది కూడా సెంటీమీటర్స్. ఇది సెంటీమీటర్స్, ఇది సెంటీమీటర్స్. And this will be, please write down. Rough లా రాసుకోండి ఇప్పుడు. This one is centimeters. Please all of you. Centimeters. This one also is centimeters. And this one is millimeters. Please write millimeters. Okay. You do it later on. Now here 13.4 centimeters undi kada. Raskondi 13.4 centimeters is equals to 13.4 centimeters equals to ee figure ki paina 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters plus ikkada
3 centimeters.
Yes, plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. Point tarvata decimal tarvata adi centimeter adi 0.4 millimeters plus 4 millimeters. Again what you have to write is, please listen what I am dictating, please write the same thing. 13.4 centimeters equals to 10 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 millimeters. Okay, so 10 centimeters ikkada nunchi 0 to ikkada 10 centimeters, 3 centimeters ikkada it ostundi 3 centimeters and 4 millimeter ante ikkada fourth line untundi kada idi 4 millimeter. So ikkada nunchi ikkada varaku itla line draw chesesi aa number raayandi. Okay, this is about the first case. Now second case. Here how many divisions you have to make?
4.
Yes, 4 divisions. So each here, what is it? What are the units? 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. Here also centimeters. And here is also centimeters. Okay now. And this one is millimeters. Okay. Now write down here, same thing. 13.4 centimeters equals to 13.4 centimeters equals to what? Who will tell? 12 meters. Rasunara, 12 meters. Plus, who will tell?
1 plus 1
yes.
meter.
12 meters plus 1 అంటే 12 meters ఇక్కడ 0 నుంచి ఇక్కడ 12 meters మెజర్ చేయాలి. 1 meter అంటే ఇగో ఇక్కడ ఇది మీటర్స్ సారీ
సెంటీమీటర్
13.4 centimeters. 13.4 centimeter equal to 12 centimeters. So these are the centimeters and this one also centimeters. So 12 centimeters plus 1 centimeter plus
0.4 millimeter. 4 millimeter.
0.4 అనద్దు 4 millimeter అనాలి. నువ్వు యూనిట్ చేంజ్ చేసావు కదా, నువ్వు ఇక్కడ మిల్లీమీటర్ సైడ్ లో చూపిస్తున్నావు. సో 4 millimeter అని రాయాలి. సో 12 ఇక్కడ 1 ఇక్కడ 4 millimeters. So please, now I hope you all understood. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now please do it remaining all. And I given the assignment. Have you seen this assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Page number assignment ఏమిచ్చే page number 24 assignment problems ఉన్నాయి. And page number 26 assignment problems, both together 5, 6 and 8 problems are there. You had to do 8 problems. And page number 26 లో 5th question ఉంది కదా, area wise ఇచ్చారు. Okay, that you have to do RF is 36 square kilometers by 114 square kilometers, 114 square centimeters. మీరు రూట్ తీయండి. రూట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, స్క్వేర్ రూట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది 6 కిలోమీటర్. స్క్వేర్ కిలోమీటర్ అన్నది రూట్ చేసిన తర్వాత, స్క్వేర్ రూట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఎస్ 6 కిలోమీటర్ బై హౌ మచ్ 12 సెంటీమీటర్స్. సారీ రివర్స్ లో వచ్చింది, 144 డివైడెడ్ బై 36 యాక్చువల్ గా, అంతే కదా. 144 square centimeter divided by 36 square meter is RF. So square root తీస్తే 12 centimeter by 6 kilometers. That is equal to 12 by దానికి RF తీయండి. Okay, now length of the scale is 12 centimeter divided by 6 kilometer into what is the maximum length here? What is the maximum length?
Meters, 10 kilometers.
Yes, 10 kilometers. You convert all these into centimeters, then you will get some length. That will be the length of the scale. So with that length of the scale, you have to draw the line, draw the rectangle of 5 by whatever you got the length of the scale. Now what are the consecutive units here? in this problem? Kilometers, hectometers, decameters. Yes. 1 hectometer equal to okay.
10 kilometers.
Yes. Kadu. 1 kilometer equal to any hectometers? 1 kilometer equal to any hectometers? Raskondi. 1 kilometer equal to 100 hectometers. Sorry, 10 hectometers. అంతే కదా 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometers. 1 hectometer equal to how many decimeters? Decameters. 100 decameters. Right. So మీరందరూ ఒక సైడ్ ప్లీజ్ కన్వర్షన్స్ రాసుకోండి. You write all consecutive units like from 1 kilometer equal to how many hectometers, 1 hectometer equal to how many decameters, 1 decameter equal to how many, what is the next consecutive units?
1 kilometer is equals to 10 hectometers.
Yes, 10, yes.
1 hectometer is equals to 100.
100 or 10? 10 decameters. 10 decameters. 10 decameters is equal to?
1 kilometer.
మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ వెళ్తావేంటమ్మా?
మ్యామ్ ఒకసారి కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి మ్యామ్ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి.
1 kilometer ఇట్లా వెళ్దాం. 10 mm equal to
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter equal to
10 decimeter.
10 decimeter equal to
1 meter.
1 meter.
10 meters equals to
1 decameter.
1 decameter.
10 decameter equal to
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
10 decameter to 1 kilometer ఎట్లా?
మీరే చెప్పారు కదా మ్యామ్ 10 decameter.
హెక్టామీటర్ అమ్మా. హెక్టామీటర్. 10 hectometer equal to 1 kilometer.
ఓకే, అప్పుడు చెప్పేటప్పుడే చెప్తాను.
Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes ma'am.
Okay then. Now this will be there in any diaries. మనకి new year diaries ఉంటాయి కదా, which is belongs to civil engineering or mechanical engineering, whatever belong to technical diaries ఉంటాయి కదా, దాంట్లో ఉంటాయి అన్ని కన్వర్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. Okay, now I want to close this sheet number 6 here. Everything you have to do. If you want any doubts, if you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime personally also by showing your pic. Okay, now we'll start the actual engineering graphics and design. These are the basics. What till now we have done is the basics of the graphics. Now sheet number 27, the projection of points. Another madam is going to teach you projection of points, lines, planes, solids, and gone further also. Now I want to teach AutoCAD about the commands. Of course, whenever we don't, she may be not attending, then I can teach, I can continue that topic also wherever she want me to take. Okay, now please open your which I posted. Just I will tell which one you have to open it. Yes. This one I will tell later on. Not now. This one also not now. Okay. Now here, page number. Now please, page number 12. Please go to page number 12. Slide number 12. Yes, this page. This is about the AutoCAD. Introduction to the AutoCAD. This is about the AutoCAD, computer design and drafting. CADD is the process of using computer with CAD software to design the procedure drawing, produce drawings and models according to the specific industry. Okay, these are all about the drawing. And AutoCAD commands and options allow you to draw object of any size or shape. Use AutoCAD to prepare two-dimensional 2D drawings and 3D drawings, animations, and anything you can make it, right? So AutoCAD is universal CADD software program that applies to any drafting. So everywhere in the world can use this software. And these are the merits of AutoCAD over manual. You can read all these. Design can be constantly accurate, clear, and faster. Right? I think you observed this about this point, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You please read all this advantages and disadvantages of AutoCAD. See here, repetitive and time-consuming activities such as cross-hatching, dimensioning can be done much faster care at any time. There is flexibility in design. Design analysis is made. Fewer design errors. There is improvement in design with shorter lead time. Right? These are all the advantages, and disadvantages are increase in accuracy and productivity compared to traditional method, because we don't get knowledge if we do the AutoCAD. We won't get the knowledge manual drawings like you people are facing nowadays. How to handle the T-scale? You know T-scale? మీకు T-scale అంటే తెలుసా? Yes?
తెలుసు మ్యామ్. అప్పుడు అంటే
T-scale, set squares. So you don't have, మీకు ఈ knowledge రాదన్నమాట. This is the disadvantages of AutoCAD. మీకు ఇవన్నీ రావు. Templates, programming for consistency, drafting. ఈ knowledge అంతా రాదు. Pencil ఎలా పట్టుకోవాలి, how to hold the pencil, how to draw the pencil, a plot inclination. If you keep your pencil inclination, what is happening, everything. This is the disadvantages of that one. Okay, changes can be incorporated very fast. Okay, so many are there here. Okay, these all you have to write this one. No need to write this one in your drawing page. A4 size sheet lo, one sheet lo e points రాయండి, merits of CAD over manual drafting, and another page writing this heading, highlight this heading and write these points. And next one, select object options. This one is not required. Don't write this one. Of course, single entity, all entities in the drawing. Windows, now you are seeing how I am doing. I have done the drawings totally covered in the window, right? Crossing cut by the window. Last selected. Last selected is when I select the command. The last command is suppose erase. Then if I put a enter, double enter, then it will select a last command. Okay, like that. Previous object previously stored. Fence. This I will explain you all while doing the AutoCAD. Window polygon, crossing polygon. Okay. Function of keys. F1 helps, F2 toggle. Few of them you know. This F1 F keys, function keys, toggle, O snap off. We'll be doing all this here. Auto grid, which I am using this bottom portion on this bottom menu. Everything will be there. and this also will be there in the keyboard. Okay. Now types of commands. So draw commands here you can see. Here, see this. Draw commands: line, circle, arc, P-line, rectangle, ellipse, M-line, multi-line, X-line, ray, donuts, SP-line, ML style. These all draw commands. These all will be using. Modify commands. How to modify, like copy, move, offset, trim. These all I used here. Scale also, chamfer I did not use here. We will be doing all this. Array, I used array, break, divide, mirror. These are all modify commands. And view commands and others. Redraw, region, zoom, pan. Of course, we are using regularly zoom, pan, deorbit, height, shade. These are all snap, grid, O snap. So these are explode. So these are all view commands and others. Okay. So please write this one also, which I marked the star mark, which I marked star. You please all write in all one page. Okay. Now here, object snap, which I used here, object snap, L shape lo kanpichindi kada meeku ikkada nenu drawing chestappudu, that one is very, very important with the help of all these. So if you select the object snap, some small arrow mark untundi. If you select the arrow mark, this all will be seen. So this all we have to make it a tick mark. If you keep a tick mark here, end point దగ్గర ఇక్కడ box ఉంటుంది. If you make a tick point here, if you make a tick, then it will show the end points. It will show the end points, like I have shown you one square, green square mark. End points దగ్గర tick కనబడుతుంది. If you don't select a tick mark here in the settings, if you don't select a tick mark, then at the ends it will not show this green green square. Okay. Similarly, this one also you have seen. That's when triangle comes, it means the center point, midpoint of that line, not center point, midpoint. Center is different and midpoint is different. Center means center of the circle. Center ante center of the circle anamata. Midpoint ante line ki midpoint. So when there is a midpoint, then it will show green triangle, right? So midpoint, MID, short term MID ante we will get this one, midpoint. Like intersection, when I've chosen the intersection, when I should keeping a point at the intersection, so it is showing intersection like green mark. So green color lo kanipistundi intersection. So at that it will select exactly there only. Whether our cursor, if you keep our cursor here somewhere, not at exactly center one, even though it is showing the green, so it will be selected at this green point only. It won't select anywhere, even our cursor is somewhere else. Okay. So intersection, short term low. Apparent intersection. So this one also nearer to that. Apparent intersection of objects. Extension line, object extension paths. I done many extension lines. Center of the circle. These are all shows in a green color. If it is a tick mark here, and select chesam. Node, same thing. Node also I have shown you. It is showing a cross mark in a circle, green color. Okay. Quadrant. This will be showing closest quadrant of arcs, circle, and ellipse. Intersection, it will show in this way. Intersection, insertion. Perpendicular also is showing. If you make a tick mark, perpendicular. మనం లైన్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ నార్మల్ టాంజెంట్ వేసేటప్పుడు మీకు ఈ సింబల్ కనిపించింది. ఐ హావ్ సీన్ ఆర్ నాట్? గ్రీన్ కలర్ లో. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? The parallel, I have not used anyway parallel. Tangent also can be used. If any two curves, how to make a tangent also, we'll do this one. Nearest, this one. None means none, nothing will be there. From snap from the distance of existing object. From అంటే అక్కడ దగ్గర చూపిస్తుంది. రెండు లైన్ అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి from అనేది చూపిస్తుంది. Okay, so these are the object snaps. This is very, very important. With this one, we can do many in a shortcut drawings. Okay, so this also write it in one page. Please, all of you write now itself. Don't keep pending. Don't think that when they ask, we'll give that. They don't think that suddenly we'll be asking your completed notes. You have to scan and you have to submit in the classroom. Right? All of you are registered in the classroom, right? So in the classroom, you have to submit. You will be having assignment marks. So we need to give the assignment marks as per your attendance, as per your class notes. Is it clear, all of you? Now, coordinate system of AutoCAD. So first we learn to these methods. This is Cartesian absolute coordinate system. So we have to take point like this, x-axis, this coordinates, like how you have done in the geometry, mathematics, x-axis and y-axis. If it is 2 and 3, x-axis is 2 and y-axis is 3. So this point will come. That is a Cartesian absolute coordinate method. And Cartesian relative coordinate system. This is at x. If you take at x means compared to the previous point. Compared to the previous point, x distance you have to take. Okay. Compared to the previous point, x distance. So if point already it is there, from here you have to take the length. Okay. Then y we'll be doing. Polar relative coordinate system. So like I done recently polar, like when you take the division method, how I done at radius less than what is the angle? Polar relative coordinate system, right? And direct distance entry system. So just now I have drawn, when I move my cursor to the right side, if I give the distance, then it will take the right side only. When I move my cursor here above, if I give the distance, then it will draw the above only. Where the cursor is there it will take. This is the direct distance entry system. Only distance we have to enter. Okay, these are all 4 methods we will be doing here. We will be doing these drawings. And here, I think you know this 0 starts from this side, right? 0 degrees till here 90. This is called first quadrant. This is second quadrant. Plus y. This is plus x plus y in this quadrant. First quadrant. And second quadrant, this is minus x and plus y. This is second quadrant, that is 90 to 180. And the third quadrant, this is third quadrant, minus x minus y. That is 180 degrees to 270. And this is fourth quadrant, 270 degrees to 360. Okay, so this is x comma minus y. I think you know everything this all. So this one also you have to write it. No need to draw this arrow mark. This should be in one page. Is it clear? Clear, all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, let me confirm how many you are having AutoCAD. Please raise your hands. AutoCAD. Wait. Please just type yes in the chat box so that I will count, and please type yes in chat box. Or else please say no. Who is not having, please say no. Who is not
No,
having?
ma'am.
Ma'am, we should install, ma'am.
Yes, you have to install.
From
No one
the
ever
website, ma'am, student version.
No one ever pettandi. Who is not having laptops, first of all, system or laptops. Many of you are not having. Okay. Can you be ready for next week? Yes. Please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next week. And one thing I want to confirm that who is not able to buy a laptop? How many of you are there? Who is not able to buy a laptop? Can't afford that at present. Please చెప్పండి అమ్మా ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? You can't 61?
Now at present I cannot, ma'am.
అంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ కా లేకపోతే ఇయర్ కొద్దా? కానీ మీకు ప్లీజ్ లిసన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, మీకు ఈసీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కదా, ఎవరైనా ఏ బ్రాంచ్ అయినా సరే మీకు కంపల్సరీ కావాలి. ఇప్పుడు కాకుండా సరే ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ అయినప్పుడు మీరు కాలేజ్ లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, కానీ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ కి ఇంకా కన్ఫర్మేషన్ లేదు. ఇంకా 1st February అంటున్నారు. సంబడి ఇస్ టెల్లింగ్ 8th February. ఓకే, but try to buy the laptop and install. Come to the college. I given number to one of your classmate. Who is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 190 na?
Yes, ma'am.
So I given number. One of please contact him. Please come to the college one day and install AutoCAD. Please bring your pen drive. Bring your pen drive and install AutoCAD. Okay, it's clear all of you?
Ma'am, sir told pen drive or laptop, anything else, ma'am?
ఏదైనా సరే, అట్లనే సరే. మీకు ల్యాప్టాప్ లేకపోతే పెన్ డ్రైవ్ లో అనుకోకుండా కాలేజ్కి వచ్చి పెన్ డ్రైవ్ లో లోడ్ చేసుకున్నా సరే, మీరు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాక ల్యాప్టాప్ లో సేవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీ ఇష్టం, మీరు చేసుకోగలిగితే యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్ లైక్ దట్. అదర్వైజ్ యూ బ్రింగ్ ద ల్యాప్టాప్, యూ విల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అండ్ గివ్ యూ. Right? Any doubts? Please, you can ask about the system or laptop.
Ma'am, అది స్టూడెంట్ వర్షన్ కదా మ్యామ్, కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇచ్చేది?
స్టూడెంట్స్ వర్షన్. Yes, any more? Any doubts? Shall we start AutoCAD?
Next week, ma'am. అప్పటి వరకు అందరు ల్యాప్టాప్స్ కొంటున్నారు కదా మ్యామ్.
నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ మేడము, ఓకే నేను మేడం చెప్తానులే. నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ నీకు మేడం నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ పాయింట్స్ తీసుకుంటారు, స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, దెన్
మ్యాక్ ఓఎస్ కి విండోస్ కి సేమ్ ఉంటుందా మ్యామ్ AutoCAD?
అది నాకు తెలీదమ్మా, విండోస్ ఏమే ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఓకే, బట్ ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు బై ల్యాప్టాప్స్. మరీ కష్టం అనుకుంటే వద్దు, మరీ కష్టం కొనలేరు ఈ ఇయర్ అంటే ఓకే, బట్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్. ఎందుకంటే ఇది ల్యాబ్, ఇది AutoCAD is a lab. You have to make practice, right? So మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా ల్యాప్టాప్ కావాల్సిందే టు లెర్న్ మెనీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ or adjust from someone. You take from someone for 3-4 months for the semester. Do it like that. If it is offline classes, it's well and good, no issues. Offline classes ki ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు.
Ma'am, which laptop, which one do you suggest?
అది మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి అమ్మా, బికాస్ nowadays we need many softwares to learn many softwares. సో దాన్ని బట్టి మీకు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకుని చాలా, అంటే మళ్ళీ మీరు ఇంకో ల్యాప్టాప్ కొనలేరు కదా ఒకసారి కొన్న తర్వాత, రైట్?
Yes, ma'am, that's why.
Buy better one if it is possible. Otherwise నార్మల్ గా కొనేసి మళ్ళీ తర్వాత కొంచెం మంచిది కొనొచ్చు. ఇట్స్ డిపెండ్ అపాన్ యువర్ సిచ్యువేషన్. ఐ కాంట్ టెల్ అబౌట్ దట్ వన్. ఓకే ఓకే, ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాస్ అయితే ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. ప్రెసెంట్ అయితే మీరు కాలేజ్ లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ అయితే. ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ కి కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం, ల్యాప్టాప్ కొనాలనుకున్న ప్రాబ్లం అనుకున్న వాళ్ళకి. ఎస్, ఎనీ డౌట్స్? So today I will not start AutoCAD, and next class also I will not start at AutoCAD. One madam is starting graphics position of points. From there you have to do in AutoCAD. I will explain how to do in AutoCAD. Hopefully next Monday we start AutoCAD. I will tell that madam Monday roju at 2 hours in AutoCAD cheptanu. Is it clear all of you? Next Monday. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Now please, all of you post your attendance in the chat box and also give your attendance. I will call you one by one.